Grandma, you sure you don't want me to stay home with you? We can cancel the sleepover, you know? I just feel like you need me to be here for you. I can't tell Karima say I'll come over our house one at a time. I just feel like I need to stay home.
You too worry about me alright. Go on with your friend, man. Me alright, me there. And Anthony, I go come by, come check for me later.
Alright, Grandma.
Oi, man.
Yeah, hello? I'm so forward. Just worry about my grandmother. Yeah, she kinda act weird lately. But she told me I need to just go and go have a good time, I guess. I don't know what to do. I really want to stay home with her, but she told me I need to go on. So, where will I meet up? Island Grill? Alright. Alright, I soon see you. Later, alright, Junior? Just feel like something not right. Just feel so. I thought you said we were gonna meet up at Island Grill. We had dummy yard. You couldn't just wait. Eh? Why is so pushy?
I don't want you walk there by yourself. So, I figure I come here and walk with you. What's the problem? Anyways, you ready for leave?
Yeah, man. Forward. And anyways, don't buy me that nasty burger that you buy me the last time. I never like it, okay? Want some fries? Maybe. We'll see.
Why you on my laptop? I don't understand. Three mash up your one, you want to come use my one now? Relax, man. I just need to do some homework on it. Where you going so far? You know, what's up because I love mash up things. That's why I know I touch my things. You deaf? Put back me something, man. I want to you. You know you're not gonna buy it back. If you destroy it, you know you're destroyful. You're too moody. My youth, you're too freaking moody. You just vex with you day and a day, Junior. Can't wait till Sean move out so we can get my one room. I'm tired of you. Idiot.
Sir, why you so vexed? Come on, come get a drink. I'm gonna make some specialty for you, so it's gonna brighten your whole day. Just watch. Hold on there. I just start work here. Oops, sorry. Okay, just wait. Well, in the mornings the place kinda empty still, but then night it more festive. Hey, drink this. You're gonna like it. And it gonna change your whole entire mood. Most of the older man them love drink it. Tell me how you like it, you know. Come I really put my all in it. You're too cute for your front up your face, so too. You don't want to look old before time.
How much you want to pay for it? We can go back house and get more money. I never have nothing for me.
That's alright. You're so handsome. Me just give you a little pass for now.
You sure? You're not getting in trouble for your boss or something like that?
Don't worry about it. You might eat it. Plus, you can go easy for me more well. So,
You sure? We can come back one other day and come pay for it, you know?
Alright. See, like I tap about you so much, I would love to see you again. Come by tomorrow and come give me the money, alright?
By the way, my name Richard. How your name?
I'm Keisha.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the drink, Keisha. Alright, see you later, Keisha.
Alright, later.
Yes, you say you don't know what you want. You tell me not to buy the burger, and what you ask me for buy again. And the same burger, then you cost me say, it tastes bad. You know? Something do you know?
But it's like piss you off. I want my specialty. Anyways, after I leave from Cream House, I want you come stay with me for a while. My grandmother got a country, and I don't want to be in the house by myself.
Hold on there, me for piss.
Oh, go on. You must soon forward. Me and Junior the Island Grill. Must I get something to eat. Don't worry. Alright, me tell you everything. Alright, later.
So what you say?
Hello, you not answer me, you know. Ask if you want to stay with me when my granny gone. What? You shocked? Just come stay with me for a while. Just me and you. I mean, you can tell your father something else, right? Or say I go over one of your brethren them house. What you could do?
It's alright, man. Me I go find a way and know what to tell him. I know what I do. Don't worry about it.
Wait there. After we not got your house, I will live here, so.
Sebastian live here.
Like, seriously? I thought we were going to your house. What we are doing Sebastian yard? Karima, you may I talk to you now?
Oh, stop your noise now, come. But let him something and me I come back for it.
Oh, really? So you couldn't do this one at a time. Why me have to be involved?
Because I never want to come here by myself.
Babes. Mwah. Me da wait for you.
Don't come kiss my hand with your dirty mouth. Anyways, you're not letting us inside. The sun hot, you know?
Karima. Man, I feel like me for going there and I remember saying me and Richard now really deal no more.
Don't worry about it. Him not there. Him gone boy busy somewhere. I measure up himself.
Was with we gonna do weeba to grada sanduka sheep lick rop.
Sean, my two friend them there, Diana and Karima. Anyways, them not stay here for long. Karima just come pick up something and them I go leave, alright?
Alright, just nobody out of foolishness coming on, mommy cost me.
Your room clean, I'm shocked.
Oh, no want something? Water, juice, soda, liquor, anything.
Yeah, me need to use the bathroom. Oh, sorry. Where's the bathroom? I'm Diana, by the way.
You have a very interesting eye color. Where you get that from? Your mother or your father?
I'm not really sure. Where's the bathroom?
Sorry, I don't know why you feel weird or nothing. Just me not really see nobody with my eye color, so that's why I'm ask.
No, that's alright. A lot of people always ask me about my eye color because the brown kind of different.
The bathroom there down there, so on your left.
So, go on. You alright?
You put on deodorant, you hug me up, so.
I can't take it, no, yeah.
Well, look like I should have stayed in the bathroom a little bit longer so I could get in the privacy.
I don't know you had to, you ready? We can leave now and go my house now.
So why you sound so nervous? What just happened a while ago with the tour? You cream or you blush, so. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Creamer, wait there. I just do want thanks for everything. You know, helping me pass my test and thing.
Well, it was a long and hard process, man, I lie, but at least you did it. Well, you did alright, I guess. But you did it anyways. And if you need any more help, I'm here to help you.
Hey, thanks.
So, what you want to eat? We have hot dogs and burger and all of that. We have lemonade in the
Sorry.
fridge.
I must think about something where Sebastian brother said to me. He kind of out of the blue and I don't know why I'm asking.
So, what him ask you? Why you look so surprised? Tell me now, why not tell me what come here?
Forget about it. It's not a big deal.
Alright, anything you say. I'll get the hot dog them ready, alright? Them kind of bun up still, but they're not too bad. But go eat them before my brother come and them off the whole plate.
So, Karima, what happened when me leave the room? You and Sebastian, you look well comfortable in the by yourself. And the way you that blush. What happened? Tell me now.
Yeah, so you mix up all of my business, not never happen. Alright?
Oh, really? So, oh, you're smiling, you're so happy from we left him house. And oh, you know which part him live.
Not being a man. So, what you gonna tell me about Junior?
Well, me and Junior, we had, the other day.
What? And you just tell me this, no? And me and you supposed to be friends? Oh my god, what happened? Give me every single detail. Oh my god, you're sneaky bad. Talk to Diana, what happened? Did it hurt? How did it feel? How you feel after? Well, I know. I never do it before, so I'm curious.
Well, it did hurt a lot, me not lie, after.
Donna, you alright? How you feel? Dana tell me say you never feel too right. Come on, Donna, you can't just keep this all to yourself.
Me alright, Anthony, okay? You and Dana, all I wanna worry about me, I'm fine. Me I gonna be alright.
I know you're not gonna be alright. Something right with you. Why you not talk to me? Let me know what go on.
Me I go country tomorrow so we can deal with some stuff.
Country? Why you not go to hospital? You been feeling sick for months now. It don't make no sense to have country. Come on, Dana. Why you not tell me? What go on with you? You hear from Octavia? Something serious I go on. Don't think me can just see it in your face or you not be serious with me. We need to know. Just be real with me, Dana. I can't. I don't know what they are not gonna do if something happened to you. I mean, we can help out on thing, but after we Octavia deal with her, I don't know how she get take in this. What is it? Is something serious? Something life threatening? Why you not tell me? Please, let me know.